Hello everyone, in this video tutorial, we will see how to perform cholesterol test using the kit manufactured by Reagent product. First, let's have a look at the kit components. The kit contains 1 bottle of cholesterol reagent, 1 bottle of cholesterol standard of 200 mg% concentration, and the instructions for use. Apart from this, you may require additional items such as clean and well-calibrated pipette of 1000 microliter volume, clean and well-calibrated pipette of 10 microliter volume, tips for 1000 microliter, volume tips for 10 microliter, tissue paper, clean and dry tubes in which the test is to be done, patient sample and timer or stopwatch. Before we proceed with the procedure, first let's have a look at the preparation of a working solution. Now cholesterol is a ready-to-use single reagent, hence there is no requirement to prepare the working solution prior to performing the test. Now, as per the procedure, we need to take 2 tubes, one for blank and one for a test. So now we have taken 1 milliliter of reagent and added to the first and second tubes labeled for blank, as well as sample respectively. We will take 10 microliters of patient sample and wipe the outside of the tip with a tissue paper, and then add it to the tube labeled for the test. And mix the component of the tube, and we will incubate this reaction mixture for 10 minutes at 37 degrees Celsius. So now we have switched on the instrument and opened the program and kept it ready to read the blank after the incubation is over. Firstly, we zero the machine using the distilled water. So after the incubation is over, we will directly take the first tube of blank and then aspirate the reaction mixture into the analyzer. After a small lag time, the instrument will automatically calculate the absorbance of the blank. And now the instrument gives the instruction to read the sample. So now we will take the second tube which we have prepared for the test and aspirate the reaction mixture into the flow cell. Again, after a small lag time, the instrument will calculate the absorbance of the sample as well as it will calculate the reading or the concentration. This is the correct way to perform cholesterol test. If you wish to run more samples, follow the exact same procedure. Thank you, and we hope this video has been helpful for you.